Hello and welcome to our video about modern warfare, the evolution of warfare in the 21st century. In this video, we'll be discussing how warfare has changed over the years and what modern warfare looks like today. In the past, wars were fought using swords, spears, and other primitive weapons. Today, modern warfare involves sophisticated weapons and advanced technology. The battlefield has evolved from hand-to-hand combat to long-range missiles and drones. One of the most significant changes in modern warfare is the use of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles can be controlled remotely and used to gather intelligence, conduct surveillance, and even launch attacks. They have become a critical tool in the fight against enemies and insurgency. Another major advancement in modern warfare is the use of cyber warfare. This type of warfare involves using computer technology to attack an enemy's infrastructure, such as power grids, communication systems, and financial networks. This can cause significant damage and disruption, making it a powerful tool in modern warfare. Modern warfare also includes the use of special forces. These highly trained soldiers are used for specific missions such as hostage rescue, reconnaissance, and sabotage. They are often equipped with advanced weapons and technology, making them a formidable force on the battlefield. Finally, modern warfare involves the use of psychological warfare. This type of warfare involves manipulating an enemy's perceptions and beliefs to gain an advantage. This can be achieved through propaganda, disinformation, and other tactics. In conclusion, modern warfare has evolved significantly over the years. It now involves the use of drones, cyber warfare, special forces, and psychological tactics. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more changes in the way wars are fought. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about modern warfare.